the Design Store Guide to Creating a Cozy and Inviting Atmosphere at Home.
New home, fresh vibe so bright. Time to change, make it right. Design Store calling you by. Ideas spark, reach the sky. Years of know-how guiding your way. Pocket-friendly dreams here to stay. Come on in, design with glee. Unlock dreams, set them free. At the Design Store Mohali, create your dream design stories, where imagination runs wild and free. Design Store Mohali. Enthusiast, take a chance ride. Endless options open wide. Start anew, make a mark bold. All the magic waiting to unfold. Your visions come to life through colors, patterns, lights. Each corner sings a story in the design.